Hi, I'm Tim Wills with Parks Realty, and welcome to my newest listing here at 1215 North 6th Street. So come on in. This beautifully restored 3-bed, 2.5-bath home has a nice office/study, which flows into your living room right here. And you can see the newly refinished hardwoods lead from the living room to the kitchen, flowing in seamlessly. This house does a great job of maintaining some of its historic appeal with modern touches. So welcome to the primary suite here on the main floor. We've got a spacious bedroom leading into your primary suite bathroom. Primary suite bathroom was just finished, and they did an amazing job with incredible finishes. Now that we've checked out the main floor, let's go upstairs and check out the 2 bedrooms, bonus room, and full bath upstairs. Here up the back deck, we've got a nice, spacious, fenced-in backyard that leads to your detached 2-car garage. And you can see that there is a detached accessory dwelling unit just above, waiting to be finished and rented out. So thanks for joining me on the home tour here at Cleveland Park in the great neighborhood of East Nashville. Hope you enjoyed it, and go bring us a great neighbor here.